Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful foot line cake. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. So this is the final product. I really hope you guys enjoyed. It was a simple, easy cake, but yet so beautiful, and it's perfect for a wedding, baby shower. It's really, or even a birthday cake. It's a really pretty cake. For the techniques, very simple. You're going to crumb coat your cake, 10 to 15 minutes in the freezer, bring it back, do the first coat of whatever color shade that you want, put it in the freezer again, 10, 15 minutes, bring it back, do the second coat of buttercream at the bottom only. You don't have to be like so technical about it. The more messy it looks and you have like all these little waves, the better it's gonna look with the edible metallic paint. So that's for that. And then for the flowers, I just wanted to show you how to do it if you do buy flowers from the florist or any other place, because they do put preservatives to make sure that the flower keeps nice and long, and those preservatives have chemicals and you don't want that in your cake. So the way to do it is basically just put a straw and then you put your flower into it, and you can also protect it more by using these. They're called floral tape. They have it in white and they have it in green. And so basically when you undo this, it doesn't stick at all, okay? When it sticks is that you have to pull it away, you stretch it, and then it activates and then it becomes sticky. So the way to do it is literally, let me show you on my finger. You wrap, you pull, and then you wrap, you pull, you wrap, you pull, and then it's gonna stick to it properly. And I always do until the bottom, from top to bottom, and then bottom to top again, and then just insert it in my cake, and there you go. So those are the two techniques that you need to know for this cake. I really hope you guys enjoy. And again, thank you for supporting my channel. I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm trying to put 2 videos a week. It's kind of difficult because I do have 3 kids, but I will try it. So far so good. So I will try to do that for you guys. And if you guys want to see a particular technique or video, let me know in a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. So again, if you haven't done it yet, before you leave, subscribe, comment down below, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching. Many kisses to you all. Stay safe and see you in the next one.